I've been poorly. I haven't had like a decent enough voice to be able to do any voiceovers for my videos, so and in all honesty, I recorded a few, and then when I went to edit them, I was just, no, delete. They're just shocking, you know. So anyway, I'm doing a brand new set today, a non-Halloween set, oh yeah, and I've done all of my nail prep. I've done the clear base and give it a quick file into shape. The first thing I've come in is the little finger, and I've done the top right corner. It's like a quarter of the nail, really, roughly thereabouts. And basically, I've done like across the 3 nails. I've done the same thing, just the middle one, the ring finger, was the opposite side. So I've used, on the little finger it was ballet shoes, on the middle, sorry not the middle, on the ring finger it's Gilver, the middle finger is Black Beauty, and then on the pointer finger I'm just doing an extended nail bed, very slightly extended, with ballet shoes. After it's all dried, I've come in with my 180 file and I'm just filing the sides so they're nice and crispy, because you know I like my nice crispy lines, block lines, smile lines and stuff crispy. And then first in on the pointer finger with Black Beauty to finish off the tip. Make sure you get it all the way up into them wings. And to finish off the middle nail, I'm just going to cover the rest of it with ballet shoes. And then just because I'm extra picky, I want to come in with a little bit of black in that top right corner to fill it in, because I'm not happy. To make some more pretty lines, and again I'm using ballet shoes. Why do I keep forgetting the name of it? What is wrong with me? Oh yeah, I'm ill, never mind. Don't worry about overlapping the colours on top as well, because when you do your finish filing it'll be all nice and crisp and sharp on top as well, as long as you make sure that the side walls of each colour block is nice and crisp, then you're all good. So I'm coming with Gilver again on the pinky to do the same kind of line, corner line around the colour box, just on the opposite side of the nail. And once they're dry, come in again and file them nice and crisp. Next in with Black Beauty to do another corner line. And then back over to the pinky to then, I'm basically going to finish off what would be making an extended nail bed, but with a colour block in the extended nail bed. So I'm just adding in what I need of ballet shoes to finish off the shape. And then finally nice and crispy, now to dry. So the little finger and the ring finger. I'm back in with Black Beauty on the pinky to finish off the free edge. With ballet shoes just directly underneath the black on the ring finger, and then I'm going to do a really thin strip up the right hand side of the corner all the way to the top, the vertical line of ballet shoes, and then I'm going to leave a tiny gap next to it to do another vertical strip of Black Beauty. Then I come in once they're all set and dry with my safety barrel bit. It's a medium grip, and I file through basically all of the bulk that I know that I don't need, that I can just take off quickly, and then leave enough acrylic, extra acrylic on there to be able to refine it by hand. And then a very simple 3-petaled flower with white gel paint. Then pop them in the lamp to cure, and then come back and do a second coat just to make sure that they are a little more opaque. Then I'm going to use a liner brush and some glitter that basically matches the Gilver, just in the glitter form from Smileys glitter store. And I'm using top coat and then dipping it in to the glitter to pick some up, and then doing the line, the trail, and then use a dry clean brush to kind of push them more together, the glitter particles, to make it more of a denser line. And then in the lamp to fully cure. popping on a little bit of hard gel just in the area that I'm going to be adding things. So I'm going to be using the caviar beads and just one little crystal. So I've popped it on where it's going to go, and then I do the top coat to make sure there's no tackiness when it's all fully cured. And then I pop in a crystal right in the centre, and then I'm using a fine liner to be able to pick up the caviar beads, and I'm just setting a triangle really of 3 little beads on each petal just to finish off. And then pop on the top coat on the rest of the nails, and in the lamp they go to cure. And here's the finished set. Really enjoyed doing this one. So thank you as always for joining me. Next sets I have are a couple of Halloween sets, just in time. So see you next time. Bye.